At ayan, Sindayan out. Replace on jersey number 12, Minor. And the rebound, jersey number 10, given up on Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon. At siya na ang nagdawi, dribbling the ball. Screening by number 15, Tibayan. Heavy dropping, bigay naman. At aatake pa sa kay Tibayan. Ayon, pinarako. Pero rejected para kay number 12. Symbol pa rin. 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time. Score 33-18 ng ating score in favor of Barangay Banawan. Macaranas ngayon, umatake. And then block again. Fernandez bigay naman on Minor. Minor ngayon to Peralta. Yes. On Peralta. At ayan ulit. Macaranas, kinukulit. Aatake, nulugpas. At inside pass, De Leon fake. Aatake ulit sa ilalim. Wala. Pero may foul na sumabit on jersey number 12. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 12, Minor. And then time remaining 2 minutes 14 seconds on the first half. Okay. And then soft. Morello in. Macaranas out.
May na po yung net natin.
At ayan, De Leon from the 15-point line.
Nakapag-live dito sa
First shot on De Leon. Yes.
Shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood.
35-19 ang ating score.
Please like and share po ng
In
ating
favor
live
of
stream
Barangay Banawang.
for the last game.
And then second shot para kay De Leon.
Please like and share
Short.
po.
Agawa. Rebound. Pass ulit. Fernandez.
And don't forget to
Fernandez ngayon.
hit
Down the
follow
ball.
button
Ulit.
on my page. Pitik ni
Fernandez pa
Paul.
rin. Ayan. Screening by Minor. Bigay naman ulit para kay Australia. Back on Fernandez. 10 to shoot. Fernandez winning on
Alright,
Tiranga.
shout
At
out
ayan
po kay
Fernandez.
Justin.
One handle shot.
Galing yan kay
Para
Idol Macaway
Fernandez.
Olvidido,
Tibayan
Carlin
down.
Des.
Headed by jersey
Shout
number
out
10,
sa'yo, Justin.
Mendoza. Kinukulit, muntik pang maagang. Mendoza ngayon, umatake, Ebenomba. Pero may foul na sumabit on jersey number 23. Peralta, Sobrem. Fernandez out. Replace on jersey number 16, Ocampo. And then Mendoza, first charity. 80 out. Second shot para kay Mendoza supply. And then touch last. Symbol pa rin. Last touch on jersey number 12, Minor. And then De Leon. Headed on Tibayan. And one. Basket is down. And foul number 23, Peralta. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 23, Peralta. So Brett. Another sub. Ayan, Australia out. At sino ilalabas sa kabila? Labas na yung isa sa kabila. Si jersey number 30. Bonus free throw para kay Tibayan.
Yan, pa-shutdown kay
Tabayan
Idol
is good.
Master Boss Amuser from Reynan
At ayan na ulit. Bounce to Fernandez.
Score ng EXBK.
Fernandez kinukulit to Andaya. Andaya pa rin. Ayan, Andaya sumalaksak. Nugget. And the same IS, dalawa pa sila. Sa rep. Peralta, number 23 out. Replace on Soriano. At bigay Fernandez. Fernandez fires some three. Nugget. Not a pick. Oy, steal by Mendoza. Pass break. Tama-tama kay Kagawad Porello.
Gawad
Pero
Porello.
may sumabit na foul on jersey number 12. Pushing foul on Minor. That's your second personal foul. At Kagawad Porello pupunta sa free throw line. 1 minute 40 seconds on the first half. First shot is good on Porello. 37-23 ang ating score po. Favor of Barangay Banawan. Second, in and out. Kalawit rebound. Nabitawan pa ni jersey number 11 mapupunta sa Barangay Banawang Basketball. And bound para kay jersey number 22. Bigay ulit, balik naman kay Soriano. To again, Ocampo. At paasa sa labas, ang dayan to
sticker.
Fernandez,
Yan.
inside pass.
Sige, Idol,
Lebre,
Makaway.
lebre. At bigay kay Ocampo. Yes, sir.
Olvido Carlendes. Sige, may sticker po ako dito,
Moreno.
Idol. Lalabitin niyo lang po ako, Idol, sa mga gustong humingi ng sticker. Dito po
Mendoza
ako
ngayon.
sa
Di
Bulawin,
diskarte.
Astrodome.
Nandun na sa ilalim. At ayan, malakas pa rin. Rebound naman. And Porello. At inagawan. And then foul. Headed by again. Jersey number 27.
Shout out,
Nagawa
JR Soriano.
Porello.
Happy watching
That's
sa
your
ating
first
live stream.
personal foul.
Welcome sa'yo,
And
Idol.
then inbound, headed by Fernandez goes to Andaya. Andaya setting the play. Then is reading by Minor. At balik ulit Minor to Ocampo. Fake. Sasagasa. Yes, para kay Ocampo. Mendoza. 49 seconds. To De Leon. Kindokulit. De Leon pa rin. Pasa sa ilalim. Nako. Time out! Ang Barangay Banawang. At hindi nga lang tumunog yung buzzer kaya sinabi na namin na time out yung Banawang.
Yan, shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood. Yan, last game na po natin. Last game na po ito, mga idol.
Why shall I sing the love song? It is real.
Okay, back to the action. 43 seconds remaining time. Ayan. And bound on Minor. Given up on Andaya. It's training Minor. Andaya pa rin. Setting the play. Ayan, looking for Tevins. Given up. 10 to shoot. Fernandez, one-handed shot. Good. Para kay Fernandez, running shot. Nice one. Mendoza.
Tambak
Bigay
na
ulit,
kalaban.
number
Boss
11
Moto
from
Kids.
downtown.
Yan, katabi ko kasi yung Moto Kids, Idol. Pero hindi pa
Andaya
ako si
for the
Moto Kids.
rebound. Pass back, steal on Mendoza.
JR
10
Soriano
seconds.
watching here.
Inside pass. Porello fake. Sasalaksat. And again. And then foul. Hit it again. On jersey number 24, Andaya. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 24, Andaya. And Porello from the 15-point line. First, short, 4.7 seconds remaining time. Then second, sablay na naman, Fernandez. And of the first of
Yan, shout out po kay Ray Bermachea. Ayan. Idol, pa-follow po ng page ni Idol Ray Bermachea. Hirap basahin, Idol, ng apelyido.
Shall we sing the love song?
Isa po yung content creator, mga idol, si Idol Ray Bermachea. Sa mga gusto magpagupit ay just PM lang po kay Idol Ray. Ayan, napakagaling po manggupit yun, mga idol. Shout out kay Fernandez from Banawang, from Liza El Torio Fernandez. Yan, shout out po kay Sir Fernandez from Banawang. Yan. Good evening po, mga idol. Good evening po, mga sir. Shout out po sa 25 viewers. watching po sa ating lahat and good evening po sa ating lahat.
Let the words of my mouth on the motivation of our heart be acceptable in the sight. If tonight my trip is up Babylon, yeah, yes, I down. Yeah, yeah, we will remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, yeah, yes, I down.
Reklamo, pabidyo kayo mo lamang. Reklamo. Yan ang sumama.
Okay, back to the ballgame. Chance card na po tayo. Score natin 43 and 23. Yun ang ating score. And bound, headed by number 2, Avalos. Give it up, umagtang, back on Avalos to Sindayen. Pasa sa ilalim. At oy, hindi nga lang nakita, nagulat si umagtang. At Sindayen slicing the middle. Yes. At lumulubo talaga ang kalamangan ng Barangay Banawang. Benlua, ay, nako, holy gabalbaw, that's your traveling violation. And down, Avalos. Ayon, pasa sa ilalim. Umagtang. Yes, talaga naman si umagtang, ha. Ayan. Beluan goes again. Yon. Using the glass. Para kay number 4, Barbosa. Sindayen. Kinukulit. Munting pang maagaw. Sindayen pa rin. Given up on Avalos. Slicing the middle. Binomba sa blind. Barbosa again. Ayan na naman. Nagmamadali. Barbosa. Sinabayan. Pero may foul. And jersey number 13. At ayan si Barbosa mapupunta sa pedestrian. Unang tera. Ayun, pasok.
Yan, pa-shout out boss sa kumpare kong pogi na si Mike
Pangalawang
Garcia
tera ni
and
Barbosa.
at kay Yuki A. Di
Lucky
Luna.
bounce
Yan,
again
coming
to
from
Arog 2.
Jan
Avalos
Gonzalez. Yan,
inbound
shout out po
goes to
kumpare
Sindayen.
Mike
Sindayen
Garcia
down.
at kay Yuki
Bigay
Di
naman
Luna.
ulit.
Yan.
Fires of 3.
Coming from our idol
Estrella,
na si
in it out.
Jan
Inside pass,
Gonzalez.
inside jumper. Wala pa rin putback. On umagtang, back to back, 2 points.
Shout out Sir
And down
Junel
again,
Fontanilla
Benluan goes
Fernandez.
to jersey
Yan.
number 11 at muntik pagmagaw. Mayroon na aga pa rin na bitawan. At binigay na to Sindayen pasa ulit. Ayan. Yes, on jersey number 13 is 2 points. Pass break na naman, then traveling violation. Time out on Barangay Agdao.
Ayan, thank you sa pag-share, Brad. Fernando Alcantara, ayan. Ang ating Hakot Boy, aka Hakot Boy ng Israel. Yan, shout out po sa ating magiting na barangay kagawad ng Tabu City. No other than Carlito Mamaril Gaspay. Yan, shout out sa iyo idol and magandang gabi po sa inyo kagawad Carlito Gaspay. Ang napakabait na kagawad ng Tabu City.
Back to the action. Then remaining time 6 minutes 28 seconds on the third quarter. Score po natin 51-27. Yan, dikit ang laban, git-gitan. Abalos. Pasalit. Balik naman. Sindayan. Lulugpas. Umagtang. Nugod. Rebound pa rin. Umagtang. Kinukuyok. Bigay sa labas. Sindayan. One handle shot. Wala. Kalawing rebound. Agawan. And then bigay naman ulit. Beluan. Pasa naman. De Leon goes Barbasa. Yes. Abalos again. At bigay naman. Balik kay Abalos. Setting the play. Didiskarte. Kinukulit. Munting pang mabitawan. Bigay on Umagtang to Sindayan. And side pass. 8 to shoot. Then jumper. Australia. Short. Rebound pa rin by Australia. And then blocking foul on jersey number 13. De Leon. Second personal foul by De Leon. And then number 2 is still on De Leon. Pass break. Barbosa. Ayon para kay Barbosa. At may sumabit pa na foul on jersey number 13. Second personal foul on jersey number 13, Pangilinan. And then follow shot on Barbosa. No good. Delpain again for the rebound to Del Young. Fake jump. Ayan again, foul. Para kay number 31. Umagtang, third personal foul. Subrep. Abalos out. Another subrep. Number 18 out. The plays on Belena. At De Leon from the 15-point line. First charity. That's a lucky bounce.
Yan, sa mga
At
nagpapa-shoutout
second
po dyan, medyo delay po yung
Para kay
dating ng
De
mga
Leon.
comment dito sa aking Facebook live.
Pasok pa rin
Kaya pasensya na po
itong
kung
araw.
medyo delay po tayo mag-shoutout.
Inbound Umagtang. At bigay naman para kay Pangilinan. Pass on Sindayin. Bigay naman Fernandez. Estrella. Dabada. 3 pounds.
Shoutout kay Mika.
Atras siya batik. Atro.
Yan, shoutout po kay Miss
Beluan.
Mika. And of course
At
kay
bigay
Sir
naman
Rick
Del Young
Quinto.
Galzon.
Happy watching po mga
Wala.
madam sir. And of course,
Barbosa.
shoutout boss
Nahabol pa.
Royet
At ayun,
Macaraon.
para kay Sindayan, napakalinis
Yan, shoutout po
para kay
kay, boss
Estrella.
Royet Macaraon.
Hanggang uminom ng artro ito. Wala na yung artro ngayon.
Kailan natin
Paatras ulit. Ayun. So,
kailan po
Okay,
tayo
tawagin
mag-set
na.
up sir? Royet Macaraon.
sino pa ang lalabas?
Para magamit niyo na po
Ubagtang out.
yung application po ninyo.
Na po may pariking batik. Ayan, para kay Barbosa. Atake. Beautiful pass para kay De Leon. Yes, libreng-libre. Fernandez. Given up on jersey number 22. Back on Fernandez. Fernandez ngayon. Pass ulit on
Pa-shoutout idol
Sindayan.
kay Adrian Condes
Sindayan ngayon.
na naglilinis
Dulog
ng
pass.
motor. Yan,
Bigay
shoutout
naman.
sa'yo.
Maganda sanang pasa.
Adrian
Kaya lang hindi nakita.
Condes. Yan.
So, ayan, Estrella out. Nakasingin. Oh,
Ano mo kapapunas sa motor mo, Idol Adrian Condes.
At pass ulit.
At baka
8
matanggal
seconds to shoot.
na pintura.
Handside pass. Reverse. No good.
Uy.
At ayun, tamang-tama. Nakasin. Bang! 3 points. At ayan na ulit para kay Biluan. Nagmamadali. Ayan,
Pa-shoutout
lindong
po
ulit.
sir sa aking Lodi Mr. Sendayan number 5. Next game uli, my beloved Barangay Banawang. Ngayon kay Miss
Minor.
Ena Wilma Andaya.
Down the ball.
Yan, shout out
Orchestrating
po
the play.
kay
Given up on
Sindayan number
Sindayan.
5
Nulog
ng
pass by Minor sa ilalim.
Barangay
Bigay sa
Banawang
gitna.
na naglalaro
Pasa.
po ngayon
Inside
for the
pass.
last game.
And then that's last on jersey number 5, Sindayan.
Shout out rin po sa Barangay
4 minutes
Banawang
exactly.
na
For
nakatutok
the
sa
third
aking
quarter.
live stream ngayong gabi.
Beluan.
Happy watching po mga sir.
Ayan na, tinlok ulit. At ayan pa rin, still nandun na naman, Sindayan 2 and 1 behind the black. At ayan pa rin, Minor, muntik nang bibitaw to Fernandez. Nice cut on Fernandez. Barbosa, inukulit, Barbosa slicing the middle. No good, Agawan, and the rebound, natapik, goes to Minor. Minor ngayon, aatake. Bigay sa gitna, and then offensive foul on jersey number 12. Okay. Timeout on Barangay Agdao. Yun. We'll be right back after this break.
We'll be right back after this break. We'll be right back. Shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood sa aking live stream via Facebook Live for tonight. Last game na po ito mga idol. Bukas po ulit another round of games. 4 games po ulit yun mga idol. Kaya abang-abang po sa ating live stream for
Hurry back to the ball game. It was brought to you by King Philip Tournament Enter Barangay 2024 Season 3. And now on Dilpet, followed by Binluan. Binluan setting the play. Then dribbling the ball, screening by Tabayan. Tabayan! Nako! Dancing to the wrong song. That's a troubling violation. Sumobra ng step si Tabayan. And side inbound. Given up on Minor. Minor ngayon. Kinukulit. Given up by Fernandez. Inside pass again. Have a tropic. Balik kay Fernandez. Didiskarte. Ayan. Aatake. Kinukulit pa rin. Pasa kay Dakasin. One handle shot. No good. Mapupunta sa Barangay Agdao Basketball. De Leon inbound. Bigay kay Binluan. Balik ulit De Leon. Back on Binluan. Pass ulit De Leon. Lulusop. Running shot. 80 out. And then rebound headed by jersey number 22. At bigay ulit kay Fernandez. Fernandez ngayon. Ayun na. Lulok pass. Kay Minor. Delpen. Long two. Not good. Delpen for the rebound. Delpen ngayon. Didiskarte. Bigay kay Leon. Sembal pa rin. 2 minutes 35 seconds mga kaibigan for the third quarter. Score po natin 61-37. De Leon muntik nang bibitaw. And then that's last pa rin si jersey number 12 Minor. Sobret. Barbosa out.
yan, shout out po kay Idol Angelo Campaliza, ang
De Leon,
star
ulit.
player ng Barangay
At
Tobor.
bigay kay Macaranas.
Yan,
Macaranas
shout out
ngayon,
sa'yo,
setting the
Idol.
play.
And happy watching
To
po.
Delpen. Delpen from the
Uy,
zigzagging. Using the left. In and out. At ayan pa rin. Penetrate. And there's a whistle. Gets the foul. Headed by number 15. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 15. Para kay Delpen. And then inbound. On Macaranas. Pass ulit. Benluan. Back on. Macaranas. They discard the running shot. Yun. Para kay Macaranas. One handle shot. Good. And bound para kay jersey number 22. Soriano. And fires to 3. 3 points. Para kay jersey number 19. Benluan pa rin. Ayan. Aatake. And then blocking foul. Jersey number 22. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 22. At inbound again, followed by jersey number 13, De Leon. Bigay kay Macaranas, pasa sa labas, Delpin fake, sasalaksak, then diskarte, good. Using the glance on Delpin, and then pass break, bigay na naman, Delpin slides in the middle, wala, nakasin, sablay. At mapupunta sa Barangay Agao Basketball, 1 minute 44 seconds. Delpin ulit, at rejected, Delpin pa rin. At ayan na, naitawid, bigay naman, De Leon, nugget. Then rebound, para kay number 19. At bigay ulit, number 15, Delpin. Followed by Soriano, bigay naman, Dakasan, 3 points. Ayun, atras mo. Power steering. Bigay naman by Delpin. Pasa ulit, muntik na naman, inagaw na nga. At nandun pa si Delpin for the rescue. Lulog pass, De Leon. Yes, sir. Minor ngayon. Pasa ulit on Soriano. Soriano, down the ball. At ayan, bigay, alley-oop play. Yes. Para kay Fernandez. De Leon, looking for Tevez. Pass on Benluan. At ayan ulit, aatake, Ebinomba. Nice one, number 22, Macaranas. At ayan na naman, minor ulit. 40 seconds, minor pa rin. Umikot, heavy traffic, then jumper, and there's a result. That's a troubling violation. 36 seconds, remaining time. De Leon, bigay ulit para kay Macaranas. Macaranas aatake, bigay naman kay Benluan, launches for 3, sablay. Tabayan at nabitawan, Benluan, wala, tabayan ulit. Yes, para kay jersey number 15, AC Basket. 15 seconds. At pasa kay Minor. Balik naman para kay Fernandez. 5 seconds. Uy, crossover. And then foul, number 13, De Leon. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 13, De Leon. And then Fernandez from the 15-point line. First shot, yes. 70-47 ng ating score. Dikit ang laman. Yun, no good. 5 seconds. At pasalit, ayan na Macaranas. Yun, numero light ball yan. Numero derecha. And on the third quarter, and 1. Basket is count. Pushing foul on jersey number 2. Bonus shot. Barangay Porello. Short putback. The good. Another jumper. Yes, ayan. Humahabol. Ayan na. Iilan-ilan na lang. Andaya. Given up by Avalos. Followed by Sindayan. Sindayan orchestrating the play. Ayan. Didiskarte. At binabantayan ni Kagawad Porello. Pass ulit. Andaya. Didiskarte sa ilalim. Hook shot. The good. Rebound. Avalos. Wala. Tamayan for the rebound. At ayan na. At bigay na naman. Atake sa tres. No good. Avalos for the rebound. At pasa naman para kay Andaya. Andaya pa rin to Sindayan. Sindayan. Sailing na play. Ayan. Munting pang matapit. At bigay naman. 10 to shoot. Balik kay Sindayan. Pasa ulit. Atake. Andaya jumper. Yes sir. Alaga. Tabayan for noise. Inbound. At bigay para kay Fernandez to tabayan pa rin. Uy! And then foul number 23. Peralta. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 23, Peralta. Tabayan from the 15-point line. First charity. 80 out. And the remaining time, 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Matagal pa yan for the fourth and final quarter. Second through. Split charity. And ball on Peralta, looking for receiver. Given up on Avalos. Followed by Andaya. Andaya pa rin. Back to Sindayan. Sindayan, headed by number 30. Fires of 3. Wala. And then rebound on De Leon. Pass break para kay Porello. And then counts to counts. Good on Porello. At Avalos bigay naman kay Sindayan. Sindayan orchestrating na play. At Kinong ulit. Sindayan pa rin. Ayan. At ayan pa rin sa kanya pa rin bigay kay Avalos. Given up on Andaya. Inside jumper. Yes sir. Alaga. 74-56 ang ating score mga kaibigan. At ang ating remaining time 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Porello setting the play. At bigay by De Leon ngayon. Umaararo. Penetrate. Rejected. And then pass break. Andaya pa rin. Ayan na. Oy! No good. Para kay Andaya. At itinira na lang. Bigay sa gitna. Peralta. Bitin. Tabayan for the rebound. At ayan na. Siya na ang may bibit-bit ng bola. Bigay na naman. At nabitawan. Napulot pa rin. Tabayan. At may foul na sumabit on jersey number 5. Sindayan. And then timeout on Barangay Banawang.
Ayan, shout out po kay Sir Harry Jake Forteza. Ayan, happy watching po sir.
Beijing Bats Nevado, Beijing Bats Nevado. Beijing the head committee, Bats Nevado.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan, 74-56 ang ating score. In favor of Barangay Banawang. At ahabulin yan ng Barangay Agdao. And then Tabayan, mabibigyan ng 2 free throws. And then first, not good. And then second shot. Supply pa rin. And inbound, Avalos. Bigay naman, ayan na Fernandez. Pass break para kay Peralta. Inside pass, beautiful pass. Yes. Good job para sa Barangay Manawan. Nice one. At ayan, para kay Porello. Porello ngayon, kinukulit. At bigay naman, Balmores. Pass ulit, fake, De Leon, kinukulit, heavy traffic. At ayan pa rin, kinukulit pa rin. At inagawan, Fernandez for the steal. Pass naman, ayan na, Peralta ulit. Aatake, Peralta pa rin. At ayan, offensive foul. Headed by number 23. Warning for graduate on jersey number 23 by Peralta. That's your fourth personal foul. And down, Balmores. Back on Balmores. At ayan, De Leon. Orchestrating the play. De Leon pa rin, kinukulit. Screening again. Ayan pa rin. Ayan. Foul number 17. Sabreb. Okay, tawagin na. Tatlo. Pakitakin na lang, Minor. Elbao De Leon. Give it up. Para kay Balmores. Tabayan. And then gets the foul. Number 31. Umagtang. Fourth personal foul on jersey number 31. Umagtang. That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. And then Tabayan from the 15-point line. First Charity. Ay, supply. Matagal pa yan. 6 minutes, 9 seconds. And then second through para kay Tabayan. Yan, nothing but net. Split Charity, then Sobrep. Balmores out. Replaced by jersey number 5, Ben Luan. At bigay naman, Minor. No good. Bitin, De Leon for the rebound. At pass ulit. At bigay naman, yes sir, para kay Ben Luan. Inbound on Magtang, giving up on jersey number 11. Pass sa kay Sindayan. Sindayan pa rin, setting the play. Ayan, mulching the clock. And then is screening by Magtang. Pero guguluin pa rin ni Biluan. Pasa naman kay Fernandez. Time to shoot. Fernandez fires some 3. No good. De Leon for the rebound. Bigay kay Porello. Porello nandyan na. Itatawid ang bola. Atake. Porello pa rin. Kinukulit. And then foul again. Headed by jersey number 12 on Minor. Warning for graduate on jersey number 12. That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. And by Porello, giving up on Ben Luan. Ben Luan ngayon, disgusted, dumire-diretso, and one. And get the basket, and then foul, number 12. Foul out on jersey number 12, that's your 5 personal foul. And then so, matik na yan, palitan na si Minor. Foul out na. Okay.
Good evening sa mga Big Pili Basketball Live channel sa Facebook page Ingat sa pagkakas Happy watching sa Maki Makarana.
And then bonus shot, Beluan.
Ma'am Lisel Torio Fernandez.
Bonus free throw. Sablay. Then rebound. Give it out on Sendayan. Ayan na, umahabol na nga pala. Sendayan ngayon, kinukulit. Sendayan pa rin. At ayan. At pasa. At still De Leon. Bigay naman. Atake. Bigay on Porello. No good. Tabayan. And then foul again. on jersey number 5, Sindayan. That's your third personal foul by Sindayan. 5 minutes 4 seconds, matagal pa yan. And then Tabayan from the 15.9. First shot, good. Ayan na. At isang dosena na lang ang hahabulin. And then second true. Nugget. Sindayan for the rebound. At bigay naman kay Fernandez. Sasalaksak, inside pass. At inagawan pa. De Leon pa rin. Pasa na naman. Bigay ko ito Tabayan. Sample pa rin. Ayan, dumidikit ang laban mga kaibigan. At marami pang humahabol na manunood. Tabayan ngayon sa ilalim. Muntik na naman. Added foul number 31. Foul out on jersey number 31. That's your 5 personal foul. At mapupunta na naman ulit si Tabayan from the 15-point line. Then first ay sablay na naman. Marami na nasasayang na free throw line para sa Barangay Agdao. And then second shot. Ayun, display charity. Peralta. 11 na lang ang hinahabol ng Barangay Agdao. At mahaba pa ang ating oras, 4 minutes and 38 seconds. At pasalit Sindayan ngayon, kinukulit. Bigay naman, 10 to shoot, ayan Uma Araro. At ayan pa rin. And then foul. Headed by jersey number 27, Porello. That's your third personal foul. At ayan, Barangay Peralta from the 15-point line. First shot, air ball. Then second shot, hit by jersey number 23. And now, Tabayan for the rebound. Ayan na. At dumidikit ang laban. Porello. Sasalaksak. Ebenova. Nice one. Talaga. Ayan na. And then pangilinan ngayon. Bigay naman kay Fernandez. Fernandez orchestrating the play. Then molding the clock. Setting the play. Fernandez pa rin. Didiskate, ayan na. Fernandez rejected. And then steal. At ayan na naman by Porello ngayon. Sasagasa na naman. Porello wala. Tabayan for the rescue. Timeout on Barangay Banawan. We'll be right back after this break. Ayan, kunti na lang. Score po natin 76-69 ang ating score. Yan. At 7 na lang ang hinahabol. At oras po natin 3 minutes and 59 seconds.
Lalo na sa mga kumpare ko na. Yan, shout out idol. Lalo na sa mga kumpare ko na mga coach ng Barangay Banawang. Yan, from Idol Markton Delphine. Shout out idol sa mga players ko. Bakunda West, Bowlers, Uniinom, Lara. Yan, shout out po sa mga players ni Sir Arnold Dakasin na unsyasya Lara ko no sa mga oras na to. Yan. Kampay-kampay po tayo dyan mga idol. Go Banawang team.
Okay, back to the action.
Yes, Romer.
Matagal ba yan?
Payawan.
Sindayan.
Manlinco.
Orchestrating the play. Mahabol na. Sindayan pa rin. Kinukulit. And then foul number 4. Barbosa. That's your first personal foul on jersey number 4, Barbosa. And foul on Fernandez, given up by at munting pagmasungkit. Symbol pa rin. 3 minutes 48 seconds. And back. Looking for 10 minutes. Warning for the league again para kay jersey number 5. And then down, Pangilinan, Sendayan, fires, no good. At bigay na naman, Delion ngayon, orchestrating the play, looking for 10 minutes. Inside pass, Barbosa, at tamang-tama, Campeloan. 5 na lang, 76-71. Fernandez, Ayon Fernandez nakawala. In and out, Fernandez pa rin for Lorenzo. Put that on Fernandez. At ayan, Tabayan. Headed by De Leon. Ayan na dumitikit. Yes, ang De Leon. At ibinigay na naman ulit. Pasa naman. Atake. Ayon. Nako. At then foul, unsportsmanlike foul headed by jersey number 30.
Yan, shout out po sa kapatid ni Ma'am Romerla Puyawan.
Unsportsmanlike foul po yan ha. Labas po tayo lang dyan sa pedestrian. Okay, so.
Rome Puyawan. Yan.
Okay,
Happy
pasok
watching
na.
po, sir,
Tawagin
sa
na
ating
yung
live.
papalitan.
Please follow my page po, Pitik
Okay,
Nicole,
tawagin na back
para
daw,
lagi
back
po
out.
kayo updated sa mga susunod pa po na laro dito sa King Philip Season 3.
Ayan, verse.
And of course, shout out kay Sir Jericho Evio Doria na nanonood sa aking live ngayon.
Verse is good.
Shout out Idol Jericho
Ayan, mas po posisyon pa. So, Brad. Bilyan na out,
Pasensya na
makaranasin.
po sa mga late shout out po natin dahil may problema po ata ang Facebook ngayon. Delay po yung pagdating ng mga comment po ninyo kaya medyo delay po yung shout out
Pangilinan.
po natin.
Give it up on Andaya. Andaya pa rin. At ayan na. Bigay sa labas from downtown. And then foul. Headed by jersey number 22. 3 free throws para kay Dagasin. And then Dagasin first two. Nugget. Then second. Yes. At last shot para kay Dagasin. Sablay. At ayan, Delion. Bigay naman. Tabayan, dumire-diretso. Nagut. Tabayan sa ilalim. Ayan, the foul. On jersey number 24. Andaya. That's your second personal foul on jersey number 24, Andaya. And then Tabayan from the 15-point line. First, Charity. Sablay. And then second shot. Air ball. Matik mapupunta sa Barangay Banawang Basketball. Two minutes 42 seconds remaining time for the last and final quarter. At nasungkitan pa. Bigay kay Porello. Porello fires a 3. Bababa! 3 points. At ayan ulit. Pass na naman. Araro. Ayan, Araro pa rin. And then jumper. Nugget. And then foul. On again, jersey number 13. Warning for graduate on jersey number 13, De Leon. That's your fourth personal foul. And then first two. On again, Peralta, Nugget. Score po natin 81-76. Lamang pa rin ang Barangay Banawang. Second shot, in and out. Hacking foul para kay jersey number 17. Penalty. Yan, sobre. Fernandez, that's your second personal foul. At nasa penalty na ang Barangay Banawang, ha? At ayan, by De Leon from the 15-point line. First is good. And then second through. Para kay Leon, 2 out of 2 on De Leon. Singa parang talunan at saka mabulit pa. Fernandez and side pass. Fernandez pa rin, iikot. Fernandez, kinukulit. At ayan na, sasagasa. Still, Porella. At ayan na, Porello nga, aatake. Last minute. And there's Sir, that's a troubling hit by number 27, Porello. Sobret. Okay, nakasin out. Send na yan in. At ayan, Fernandez goes to coast. And the foul headed by number 15. Tabayang second personal foul. And the timeout on Barangay Agdao. At wala ng timeout yung Barangay Agdao. Samantala, sa kabila, sa Barangay Manawang, may isa pa silang timeout na natitira para sa Barangay Manawang. Okay? Okay, back to the ballgame. Kanina, nasa 20 ang Kalamangan. Ngayon, 3 na lang. 81-78. And then Fernandez from the 15-point line. First charity. Pasok para kay Fernandez. And then second through on Fernandez. Sablay. At mapupunta sa Barangay Agdao Basketball. Makaranas inbound, given up by De Leon. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Tambayan, kinukulit. Ayon, yes sir! On Barbasa. Ayan, dalawa na lang. 82-80 ang ating score. Ay, magandang laban. Walang pugurap, mga kaibigan. Fernandez! And then again, that's a foul on jersey number 4. Barbosa, that's your second personal foul on Barbosa. Both team are on penalty. Ayan, both team are on penalty. At dito na tayo sa free throw line, magmamakbakan. First, para kay Fernandez. Yun, sablay. Yan yung sinasabi natin. Ayan. At dikit po ang ating laban, mga kaibigan. And then second, yun, display charity. Inbound, De Leon goes again para kay Makaranas. Back on De Leon. Pasa sa ilalim. And then Tabayan ngayon, atake. Tabayan, the jumper, na good. Rebound, Agawan. Touchdowns para kay jersey number 5 on Sindayan. 1 minute and 21 seconds for the third and final quarter. Matagal pa yan, marami pang pwedeng mangyari. At ayan, barangay Macaranas goes to Porello. Headed by Barbosa, Lebrin, bang, bang, bang! 3 points! Deadlock po tayo! All 83! Yan yung sinasabi natin kanina. At ngayon, nangyari na. At ayan, ang daya ngayon, Orchestra de la Bay, looking for Tevez, bibitaw sa Chris. Oh, boy! Yun na. Yun na yun, yung sinasabi natin, ma. Sabrat! At ayan, ilalabas ko na ang daya out, replace on jersey number 2, Abalos. Deadlock po tayo mga kaibigan, ha? All 83 ang ating score. Ayun, humabol. Talagang nagtyaga yung barangay Agtaw. Kaya ngayon, at sila na ang naglalyamado ngayon, ha? Porello, didiskarte. And Porello, lebre. Wala. Rebound, Barbosa. Ayan pa rin, Barbosa ngayon, kinukulit. Tabayan. Same ball pa rin. Talaga naman, git-gita ng laban mga kaibigan. At 42 seconds, ha? 42 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot. And then 10 to shoot. Ayan na. At De Leon kinukulit. Ayan, may foul. Headed by Jersey 02 Avalos. Both team are on penalty. That's your third personal foul on jersey number 2 Avalos. And then De Leon from the 15-point line. First, lucky bounce. James Pibor po tayo. Lamang na ang barangay Agdaw. 1-point lead. 84-83. Yun po ang ating score. Dikit ang laban mga kaibigan. And then second shot headed by De Leon. Wala sa fly. Rebound by Fernandez. Fernandez nandyan na nagmamadali. Ayan na Fernandez. Bigay naman on Soriano. Yes sir! On Soriano. 32 seconds. 32 seconds. Ayan. At iisa ang kalamangan na. At pasa naman. Soriano bigay na naman. Macaranas headed by Porello. Porello ngayon aatake dito siya. At bigay Macaranas. Bigay naman De Leon. Then pick. Sasalaksak. De Leon wala. And then again. Ayan na naman para kay Pangilinan. And one! Basket is down. And the ball number 27, Porello. Warning for grabbing on jersey number 27, Porello. At may bonus shot pa para kay Pangilinan. Sabrot. Ayan. 87-84 ang ating score. Lamang ang barangay Banawang. 87-84. At ayan, gumanda ang laban mga kaibigan. And then Pangilinan, bonus free throw. Ayun, wala, sablay. Rebound, Agawan. And then foul on jersey number 15, Tabayan. Both team are on penalty. At ayan, 15 seconds remaining time. And then first on Soriano. Yes, good. Sayang. Second. Sablay. Tabayan. Bigay ulit. Barbosa. Barbosa sasalaksak. And then fake. And then traffic. Bigay Tabayan. Oh! At ayan, at talagang ganyan lang yung basketball guys. Accidental contact lang yung mga panyang pangyayari ha. 6 seconds, remaining time, 6 seconds. At nagkabanggaan lang po sila. Ayan.
Apat ang lamang. Hindi po. Okay.
At mapupunta mula po ng Barangay Andaw. And down on De Leon. Looking for Tevez. Bigay, Tabayan, natapik. At ayan, 3 seconds. Tabayan, fires. Down, 3 points. And on the game. Okay. Ayan, apat ang kalamangan. 88-84. Magandang laban po. Isa lang ang kalamangan pala.
88-87, awa. 87. Panalo ang Barangay Balawang. And ang ating bida player of the game on jersey number 19, Dagasin. Ikaw ang ating best player of the game, and to award the medal of the best player, we call the Punong Barangay of Barangay Bulawin, January, also with Kapitana Lourdes Solis. Kayong dalawa po ang mag-award ng ating best player on jersey number 19. Asan si Dagasin? Punta ka sa gitna.